Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, you see guys, there are so many animals here. But before I review it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay guys, so now let me start it. See guys, what is that? This is a cobra snake. You know guys, that cobra snake will raise their bodies and expand their heads when they feel threatened. Wow, it's so scary guys. And then, this is a lizard. You see guys, lizard has a long tail and tongue. Wow, it's so cool guys. And then, this is a dog. Wow, you see guys, the dog is so cute. You know guys, dogs like to bark and dogs also a loyal animal. Wow, it's so cute guys. And then, this is a crocodile. Wow, see the crocodile is so big guys. You see guys, the crocodile have hard skin and sharp canines. Wow, it's so scary guys. And then, you know what is that guys? This is a triceratops. You see guys, the triceratops has 3 horns and the body is so big guys. Wow, it's so scary guys. And then, this is a shark. You see guys, the sharks have sharp teeth and also have a dorsal fin that stands upright. Wow, it's so cool guys. And then, this is a turtle. You see guys, the turtle have hard shell. Wow, and the head is big guys. Wow, it's so cool guys. And then, this is a duck. You know guys, that duck really likes swimming guys, and web duck feet make it easier for them to swim. Wow, it's so funny guys. Then, you see guys, what is that? Yes, this is a T-Rex guys. And you see guys, the T-Rex has 1 egg. Wow, the egg is so big guys. And then, this is a pigeon. You know guys, that pigeon like to eat seeds. Wow, it's so beautiful guys. And then, this is a zebra. See guys, that zebra have stripes on their bodies. Wow, it's so cool guys. And then, this is a lion. See guys, the lion has thick fur around its neck. Wow, it's so wild guys. And then, this is a giraffe. You see guys, the giraffe has a long neck that serves to raise the leaves on a tall tree for food, and also long and strong legs that function to support the giraffe's large body. Wow, it's so cool guys. Okay guys, I have reviewed it all, so stay tuned on my next video. See you, bye bye.